Merry Christmas, everybody. You know, we back over here with another video. It's your boy Big Mose, man. Hey, first of all, like I said, Merry Christmas to everybody out there. You know, I'm thankful for times like this, being able to give to my son. This is his second Christmas, but his first real Christmas, because this is the one he gets to open his presents, and I'm very excited. I think everybody's getting ready, putting on their pajamas and everything, so I'm looking forward to that. We tried to make it real festive this year. Tree looks lovely. Everything just seems like it just flowed together. You know how we do. Everything get done last minute over here too. But anyways, it's not about me. It's about my little man today. Hopefully he enjoys all his gifts and he's excited, and I'll be sitting here watching back and smiling. You already know. It's your boy Big Mose, man.
Here he comes. Here this guy goes.
It's your world, buddy.
Merry Christmas, baby Bubba. Merry Christmas. Yay. It's Christmas.
Bubba Jones. Merry Christmas.
He like, what's going on?
Hey.
You excited? Oh. You excited? You excited?
This your first gift right here. Yeah. Alright, look, open it up. Hey. Open it up, nigga.
Bubba like, give me the paper. I don't care nothing about nothing that's in there. That's what you see it though.
Yeah.
You're like, let me get it, let me get it. He's like, oh yeah, bro. Take it to
Whoa, buddy, look. You got your own chair.
Bubba's chair. Bubba's chair.
Doesn't help that your pants keep falling.
Yeah. Sit down, Bubba. That's Bubba's chair.
The Bubba chair.
Look at Bubba's chair.
Yay, Bubba.
Look at Bubba's chair.
Yay.
Bubba got his own chair.
You like your chair?
That's all he gonna do is carry it around.
Come on, buddy, you got more gifts. Look. This is from Santa. That's not from Santa. Come on. You want to vlog? Maybe he wants to be a vlogger for Christmas. There you go. What you got here? Oh,
You allowed to tear it up, baby. You allowed to tear it up today.
Look at what you got. You got
Yay.
your own tablet, buddy.
Yeah. Aww. Aww.
Yay.
Yeah, you like it, huh? Awesome.
I'll be right back.
Aww.
Come on, you got another one right here, buddy. Santa got you a lot today. Open it up.
Tear it, Bubba.
Yeah, if you just gave it to him, he'd tear it so easy.
What's in there, Bubba?
Look at that, Bubba. Come on. Whoa. You see that? You got you a truck, Bubba?
Bubba. Bubba, you got a big old truck there.
Got you a nice truck.
Look at Bubba.
Nice, buddy. Nice.
Driver.
Yay, Bubba. Oh, you like it. Look, you trying to push it already. You like your truck? Aw. Yay. Oh my God, you are strong, kid.
Very strong.
That thing is heavy.
Whoa.
Bubba. Oh, shucks, Bubba. Tear it up, baby. There you go. You're getting the hang of it now, huh? Yeah. Yeah, Bubba. Oh, you got some tools.
You can help Papa with your tools.
You get to help.
What's going on here?
Meek got some stuff.
Look at me.
Say, what's going on?
Merry Christmas, Meatball. Meek got some stuff under there. We'll bring it to you, Meek.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, be careful, man.
You
What you
okay?
say, Mom?
You didn't hit it, G.
No, he didn't hit it.
I don't know. Don't ask me. Me and Tish got him.
Got you.
Press it.
I don't know. Where y'all get the pajamas from?
These from Target.
No, Target.
Press it for him, Moose. Yay!
I just put this one back down for Christmas.
What's in there? Oh, shucks.
Huh?
What you got, Bubba?
You got you an Elmo?
Alright, I'll talk with you later. What time you gonna be cooking, Tish? I mean,
Oh,
ready.
I don't know yet.
And,
It'll be sometime this late afternoon.
yeah, we'll be eating sometime later on this day, Ma. You know you just get it together. We ain't too long got in. We went last night to the party and then wound up going to parks.
Here, buddy. Got another one right here.
There you go. Good job, Bubba.
You know what I'm
Yay.
saying? Merry Christmas to all y'all.
Merry Christmas, Ma. See you later. Oh, we about to have some Nerf wars up in here. We about to have a Nerf war.
Just hit the X.
It's no X. You want it? I think it's doing something else.
What you got, buddy?
We about to have a gunfight.
Oh,
We having a gunfight, Bubba.
Nerf battles. It's gonna be so much cropping. What you got, man?
Yeah, he ripped
Yeah,
it.
there you
That's
go.
the first one he ripped open.
Look at you.
Wow, he ripping it open.
You got another one.
He never ripped, he ain't ripped nothing open yet.
Yes, you did.
Oh, I ain't seen him rip nothing.
Hey, you got a Whoa, you got another one, buddy.
That nigga attention span horrible.
Oh, he clapped. Look,
Look, buddy.
Bubba.
Look at that.
Yay.
You can drive it. Well, Dada has to.
Say thank you. Say thank
Say
you.
thank you,
Clap
aunties.
your hands, buddy. Look.
Look, he opening it and watching TV.
I know.
Right here,
That joke is a ticket state. It's horrible.
Whoa, look, buddy, you got you a Gap sweatsuit.
You see that?
Got you the fly guy.
I'm gonna sit in your chair.
You better not. It's gonna flatten.
I'm not gonna sit.
Why you gotta violate?
Papa.
You been on, yo, I gotta blur so much out because of you, like,
But you can't. She can't sit in that chair.
she know that.
Oh, I thought she was about.
Papa.
You sit that caboose down. He's gonna fly.
Come on, Papa. Yay. Grandma's on the floor. Grandma's on the floor.
Let's bring Elmo.
Papa.
We like Elmo.
Elmo's your favorite?
Oh, here's a good one, Papa.
You don't want to
Yay.
mess up.
Tear it up. Good job, Papa.
There you go.
Good job. Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Go crazy.
Go crazy, buddy.
He ain't gotta go.
Oh.
Go crazy. Here, Papa.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Look, Papa. You can throw it. Pop, pop.
I ain't eat none of your food.
You better look. This is a good one. It makes noise. Whoa. Look.
This the one I didn't like, right?
Yeah. Look at this one. There you go. Look at that. You gonna be like Daddy?
No, don't be like daddy.
Recycle man.
Don't be like daddy.
Hold on. Look. Look.
Be like Pop-Up and get a
You
mixer.
hear it? You hear it? It's making
Yeah, that's
noise.
how I feel when I drive the truck, buddy.
You hear it making noise? You're not listening. Look at that. It's this. It's this. You looking all around. It's right here.
About what you just brought him, yet alone the price
Well,
tag.
you'll like this one. Yeah, boy. We play this at Chuck E. Cheese, right? Look. We play that at Chuck E. Cheese.
Hungry hippo.
We play that at Chuck E.
Did
Cheese.
she just say hungry hippos? Like what?
We play it at Chuck E. Cheese.
Hungry
You
hippo.
press it. Press this.
They
What's
look like
this?
hippos from a movie.
There you go. Press this one. This one. Press this one. Yeah, you got it, buddy. Yeah, good job. Yay.
Now you gotta know the numbers and stuff when you get. Well,
Good
you
job,
teach 'em
Bubba. Oh, because you're pressing that one. All right. One more while I got your attention. That's your last one. For now.
that. Yeah, ain't nothing else under the tree.
Well, you know Mom gonna come over here with stuff, so.
Yeah, I know.
Here, buddy. Last one.
I don't know where all this stuff will go.
You're gonna like this one, I'm telling you. You're gonna like this one. Just open it. What?
Get it out of his way.
What?
He found his true toy.
He found what he like. At least he like a learning toy. I like that he likes something to learn. Cause he needs some knowledge. in
Mickey's
that big head.
backpack.
Oh.
Did we just become best friends?
He gonna
Yeah.
He like, get this off of my learning toy.
Oh, now,
Let
see?
me see
Grandma
it.
know you.
Let me check it out.
Grandma know you. You got Mickey's backpack.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. When you watching Mickey on your tablet, you can have your backpack
I'm
too.
like, this is pretty cool, Grandma.
Backpack.
Don't let that
Oh, that's Dora.
learning toy get away.
I forget what he said.
Alright, I'm over.
All right, you're done.
I'm over
You're absolutely done.
Yeah,
You got some
party
stuff
time.
over there from daycare.
Give me my. You like that learning toy? He likes that.
That's our favorite game to play at Chuck E. Cheese. He likes to press the things.
Mama, open your
Good,
gift from
'cause he can
Bubba
learn how
and
to
me.
count to at least 4.
You hear me, Ma?
Know the colors.
I was opening her gift.
Oh, shucks. Hey. I got some new Uggs.
You like your Mickey?
Oh, yay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Bubba. Thank you, Moses. Did you buy these for Grandma?
This baby bucks.
With your baby credit card?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. I
The
love
Baby
them.
Express.
Thank you. Kiddo. Prayer and Noodle got some stuff right here for you.
All right.
Did you know that?
No.
No.
You know what? Sue, I get tired about
Where I'm opening your gift.
once y'all never
Nah, I'm alright. You know me. I don't care about that stuff. I'm just playing.
Bubba's playing with his leapfrog. Yay!
if you get sharks or I'm gonna buy you a plane ticket. So that's what we did. We got her Mary Kay plane ticket.
Oh yeah, that's a good deal for her. She love that. Hold on.
We got her
Oh, you opening the gift?
You playing with your leapfrog? That's good.
No, he can't even open the daggone.
That's
thing.
because they put tape all around it. I'm struggling.
They didn't put that. That's the way it came.
I'm balling, baby. I got my Burberry Hero. It's over. They gotta give me mad coupons and stuff for the
You
next
got
time.
our hero.
You said what?
You got our. We got
You
Burberry hero.
Right here.
Yeah,
I got
like
my
for both
Burberry
of us,
Hero.
you just gonna keep it at my house on the dress.
Kind of like both of ours.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. She got me the joint for my streaming. The Elgato joint.
They got you.
Nah, that's fire. Appreciate that, for real.
What do you tell your sisters?
Thanks, sisters. Y'all are amazing. Yeah, you want to open my gift?
Ain't this a...
Yeah, you see you want to open mine? Come on. Oh, snap. This is what Grandma and Papa got me.
Moses.
Huh?
That's
I can't hear you.
the right thing for the
Oh, yeah, that's the perfect thing. You got me the good one.
not me, us.
Well, I was speaking in general for both of y'all. My voice is messed up. Oh yeah, I got me some new runners. You know what I'm saying? I needed these fresh runners. I like these a lot. Thank you guys.
You welcome, but I ain't buying them because I don't know nothing about them.
They gym sneakers and stuff.
Our money.
I don't know nothing about them. Your mom ain't got them, not me. I don't know nothing about them.
These was amazing.
You got some more stuff over there?
I do?
Yeah, you got 2 more things over there.
Oh snap.
Those 2 little ones are meatballs.
I was watching the TikTok like that yesterday. It was like,
That's from Bubba, actually. To you from Bubba.
This one's from you, Bubba.
it's like, thanks, Dad.
Bubba, you got me something. What you give me, Bubba? Yeah, what you get me, buddy?
That's from Bubba.
What you get me, man?
Look, he like, hurry up and open my game. He like, I spent a lot of money.
Oh!
I spent a lot of money.
Bubba got me some slippers.
He like, if I gotta wear them, you gotta wear them too.
These the good ones too. Got me some Naruto joints. Come on, Bubba. I need a hug, buddy. Where you at?
Oh, no, it's not charged.
Oh, snap. I got a Nike hoodie. I got the zip up joint too. Oh, this is fire. Oh yeah. I like this one a lot. This one got the Nike check and everything right here. This the one like my pullovers. I've been saying I wanted one of these too. Thanks, guys.
Well, I guess you're welcome.
You're welcome. Got everything you got everything you wanted, right?
First thing I knew about it, but yeah.
You got everything you wanted?
I got everything I wanted.
You got everything you
Bubba.
wanted?
Did you send prayer noodle they stuff?
Yeah,
What
did
they
y'all
say?
did y'all open it yet? Did y'all open gift shop?
Oh man, what a priceless reaction my little man gave me, man. Like I said, I just try my hardest to do what I can for him, man. I love this though, like loving to see his reaction. I want to apologize too in advance. My voice is all raspy right now, it's all messed up. Had a food poisoning, unfortunately, and I definitely just want to thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for everything. Shout outs to my family, my sisters, my parents. They gave me gifts and everything, blessing my little man with everything too. And most importantly, I thank God that I'm able to even do this for him, that I'm even able to be in this position to provide. I'm thankful for everything, honestly. Like I'm just truly blessed, I gotta say. And most importantly, life is amazing. And as we go into the new year of 2025, which is a week away, it's a week right now because it's Christmas, of course. We will be trying to upload 10 videos a month. It's a lot, but we're gonna put in this work. We're gonna put in this work. You know why we're gonna put in this work? Because we're gonna put in this work. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy it, man. Thankful for my buddy, my Bubba. That's his nickname, is Bubba. And I love y'all. You know, thank you for the support, and peace.